So if we go up here, title is already added for us. Let's click it to edit its settings. And under style settings, we can select to customize the field HTML. So right now it's an HTML element called div, which is just a generic container. What we want to do is use a heading. So we can select from any level of heading here. In this case, it feels like heading 2 or heading 3 would be good since heading 1 is going to be reserved for the title of the page. I'll select heading 2 and let's click apply. Okay, so this is looking good. Also note that this is blue. These are actual links to the pages. If I open this up in a new tab, it jumps straight to the Cathartic Tunneling page. So the last thing we need is to put this requirements in line with the content. There's a couple of different ways we can do that, one of which is rewriting the output of the field, which we'll do in a later video. But this time what we'll do is simply set the container element of the label and the content to a span, which is going to display inline. So let's go up here and under fields, let's click requirements, and under style settings, let's select customize field HTML and let's use a span for it. I'm going to scroll down a little bit and I'm going to select customize label HTML as well, and we'll use a span for that. At this point, we're talking about some HTML elements that you may or may not be familiar with. We won't be talking about HTML an awful lot throughout this series, but occasionally we'll need to talk about a tag or add a tag to some content. If you feel like you want to get up to speed with how HTML works, go ahead and watch the front-end development collection. Okay, let's click apply. And if we scroll down, you can see that the title is in line. Now again, the label isn't bold, but that's something that our themer can take care of later. Let's save this and see it in context. I'll jump back to our tour types page and refresh, and here we go.